What is up, YouTube chat here? And today I'm here with Elvis. Elvis, what did you play and how did you perform?
I played Rikka Sunavalon and the deck performed really well. I went 6-2
Nice,
and
nice.
yeah, I played the deck since 3 days, but
Insane.
I really like the deck. Yeah,
All right, let's get into it then.
all right. It's basically the same list from the Wisest London from Jessica Robinson. So shoutouts to Jessica for the deck list.
Shoutouts, shoutouts.
Yeah, the best monster in the game. 3 loci and 1 brick. 1 card combo into full combo.
Yes.
Yeah, this is actually bad to draw, but yeah, you just have to play it. For the Rikka monsters, 3 pedal, best Rikka monster in the deck, and 3 princess. Actually, a really good card. It's an extender. It's a monster negate as well, so it's a really flexible card.
Nice.
Then 2 Mudan. Like Jessica said, 2 is correct because you need 1 for the follow-up. Yeah, actually 2 is fine. Then for our one-offs, we play the 1 Primula and the 1 Snowdrop. This is your level 4 extender. You search it out with Rikka Glamour. And this is basically special summons itself with a plant monster from your hand, and it can manipulate the levels of the plant monsters. So actually 2 one-offs. And the 1 Lone Fire. I don't think you should cut it because it's actually really good in the combo, especially with the Therian monsters. I think it's necessary. Sometimes going second, I side it out because I side out the Therian engine as well. So it's actually a good card. Therian engine. Yeah, I think nothing to explain because evenly kills us.
Yep.
The best hand trap performed really good. I played against Dark World and Kashtira as well. So I think it's the most impactful hand trap. So basically it's like you don't want to play mid hand traps, you want to play high impact cards like Droll and Evenly and something like this because yeah, I think you need these cards to go second. Talents as well. It's a 45 card build, so 3 talents is good. Good going first, good going second. This is literally one of the best field spells in the game.
Yeah, this one's insane.
Yeah, it's insane. You can set 1 Rikka spell out trap if you control a Rikka monster, and it's once per turn. It's a Lair of Darkness.
Yeah.
So you tribute for cost, so your opponent cannot respond. And the search card, Rikka Glamour. Yeah, one of the best cards in the deck. 3 unexpected die.
Yeah, Italy.
Don't ash this. Please, don't ash this. Yeah, it's a really good card, but yeah, if you ash this and he has a normal summon or another unexpected die, he can go full combo. Ash this. Summon Sowing special summons a seed from the deck, and don't forget the protection effect. So many players don't know the protection effect. It's actually really good, and it comes up. 1 for 1 broken extender, called by. And for our going second cards, evenly an Imperm. This card overperformed. It's absolutely busted in my opinion.
Yeah.
You need this card to break the boards in this meta, and you can keep this card in your hand to break especially Kashtira boards. So you go evenly and then negate the Rise Heart with Imperm. And the 1 Rikka sheet. So that's the main deck. Then for our extra deck we play 3 Dryas. Yeah, best card. 2 Healer. You need 2 for the combo. Thrasher, it didn't come up today, but in theory you can OTK really easily with this card.
Yeah.
2 Jasmine. You need 2 for the full combo. And my opponent ripped 1 as well, so it's really good to play 2. Don't play 1. Dance Peon, yeah, you need this card if your hand is bad. So I didn't have luck today, but yeah, actually it can be good, but you only make this when your hand is really worse. So, and the one Matthias and the Bengal Lancer for the link climbing. 2 Strenna. Think nothing to explain.
No, really good.
Yeah, best card in the deck. 1 Teardrop. It didn't come up too much, but yeah, you have to play it. You go mostly like for this Hyperiton. And keep the Concon as well in your hand. So if you activate the Concon in the combo, you can attach one spell from your graveyard. So you can attach like a Colosseum or Unexpected Die. So you have a spell negate as well. There was the extra deck, and for the side deck, 3 Ash because of Branded. Rosewood. This card is crazy because with the Regulus, you can only activate 1 spell, and if you negate it with Regulus, so
He used, of course, yeah.
Of
The
course,
already
yeah.
used one, yeah.
yeah, he's locked of spells. Really good card. Then I played one of this card. You need this to outbirth and nasty floodgates like Skill Drain. You can search it with Jasmine and Glamour as well.
Yeah.
2 Kaijus for Kashtira
Yeah.
and Thrust package.
Wow.
So this was insane. This was insane. You play this card because of Kashtira, so it plays around lands because the opponent sends the card.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it for the deck profile.
Nice, Elvis. Thank you so much for the deck profile. Do you want to do any shout-outs?
Yeah, shoutouts to the Plant Gang for the deck list. Thank you very much. Shoutouts to Chess, to Luana for lending me cards.
Yeah.
Shoutouts to all my friends. Shoutouts to my brother, Dennis. Yeah, that's it.
Nice, Elvis. Thank you so much for the deck profile,
Thanks.
and have a nice evening. Bye.